Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aris and my friend is Cynthia. Here we will give you all a tutorial on how to make an omelette. Let's get started. First, cut the garlic and chilies. Second, break the egg into a bowl. Third, add the chopped onion, chilies, and salt.
4. Mix them using a spoon. 5. Heat a frying pan and add little cooking oil to the pan. 6. Pour the dough into the frying pan. Wait until the dough looks yellowish.
7. Leave using spatula and put in reserve. Wait until the color is yellowish.
Finally, put the omelette into a plate.
Yeah, it looks delicious.